Winning is always special, and especially games like this when till almost till 13 over you're not in there. You have to keep fighting it and not give up. And when things changes, obviously it means a lot.
Was there stress when Karun Nair was batting, like he was making batting look easier than commentary?
Yeah, I mean, we were getting out of options what to bowl at him. We tried everything. The way he batted was the way he took on our bowlers and took his chances, and the way he executed, that was really, really fantastic. And I think that shows the hard work which he has been doing for over the years, and the amount of runs he has scored. For him to come and play like this was fantastic, and I think it took us by surprise.
It was a day for impact subs. What about your own impact sub today?
Fantastic! The coming and bowling the way he bowled, showed a lot of heart. On a small ground when the straight sixes are 60 meters and still trying to get the batter out from the front. I think that shows the character and the heart and the experience over the years he had.
Would you have thought 3 run-outs to win a game?
I mean, no, I've always believed fielding is something which can change a game upside down, and I think we were switched on, didn't give up. We kept saying to our teammates that let's back each other, let's make sure we are in it. And they got the chances and they converted, and really happy. I mean,
we saw something interesting with the batting order. You moved the batting order. You put the form players up. Is that how it's going to be from now on?
Yeah, it's always going to be depending on the situation. The more the players who are in form will try to face the ball and take the responsibility. And I think today we did really well. And obviously, Dew played a lot later. It became very dewy, which was not there. And yeah, I mean, batting order, we'll keep seeing how it's going to come.
One last question before we let you go. Did you at any point think, gee, this game's going away, 5 losses? This tournament's going away. How do you keep all those thoughts away?
I mean, just by making sure that the game is not over till it's over. Keep fighting. That was the chatter in the group. That was the message from my side. Let's not give up. Let's show character. We know a couple of wickets. If we can take it, we can change it around. And I've seen, and it has happened with me before as well, wins like this kind of change the momentum and everything comes back.
2 points. You can celebrate.
Absolutely.
Well done today.
Thank you.